Hi there! In this video, I'll show you how to change county location on Omegle. To start this tutorial, I will need you to download a VPN provider on your mobile device. In my case, I'm using SuperVPN. In here, I'm going to go and connect. Once done, I'm going to close it and then go to my internet browser and open Omegle.com. Just go to the search bar and type in Omegle. Wait for it to load this time. Once here, click on the first link that says Omegle.com. Wait for it to load again. Now, this will lead you to www.omegle.com. And then, this time, go to your browser settings and then change it to desktop view. This will then change the layout of Omegle.com over your mobile device. All you have to do right now is zoom in to the top right and then go to Select Language. In here, you can choose the language of your very own preference. An example, I'll be writing in here Portuguese. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, and please don't forget to subscribe.